Hello friends and welcome back. We're going to do another plan with me, and this one is going to be using this gorgeous kit from Tilly B Plans. It's called Fair Winds and a Following Seas. And these two washies, this is from, I believe they're both from Simply Gilded. I know that the foiled one with the sea life on it is definitely Simply Gilded. The other one might not be. The other one might be Cocoa Daisy. I can't remember where I get all of my washi tapes from. I just know that I have a ton of them and they sit on this gorgeous little container on my desk and look beautiful and don't get used very often, but when they do, it looks like this and it's so stinking pretty. I think the colors on this went really well with the kit, and because Tilly B's kits don't typically come with the big bottom washi like what we're used to, it's a perfect opportunity to pull out your washi tape and match it up and do something really pretty like that. She does have washi strips. I can tell you that when we were looking through this at the beginning, if you go back and look, one of the pages has washi strips on it, but they're not long enough to go across the entire bottom of the page. So that is why I opted for washi tape instead, and then I'll use the washi strips as dividers throughout the entire kit. So once I put down all of my date covers, look at this. Oh, so beautiful. I go from like super bright rainbow vibrant to the like sea beautiful. Like I have no aesthetic that's the same. Some people's planners, when you flip it from page to page, they all basically are cohesive and match. Not me. I am all over the place. I love every week to be different. Some weeks I'm feeling this kind of a kit right here. Some weeks I want the colors popping off the page and like party central on my planner. So it just depends on my mood. When I'm picking my kits, they are totally dependent on the mood that I'm in at the time that I'm picking them. I don't pre-pick any of my kits. I know that a lot of planners, especially people who do plan with me's, will like go through all of their kits and they'll pick out every week for the entire month. And heck, they even do videos about it to show you what kits are coming up, but I don't do that. I just am totally random, just mood-based sticker picker. How's that? So for this week, this is the 12th through the 18th. So the Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I work. So typically on my work days, I don't put a lot of space to write because there's not a lot to write about. I go to work, I come home, I go to sleep, I go to bed, I get up, I go back to work because I work night shift. I don't do a whole lot of planning on those days or writing anything in my planner because this is my family planner. So it's not like I'm going to be cleaning or going to doctor's appointments or doing any of those things on those days. So I will leave that more sticker heavy. But this week I do have things going on that week, so I'm going to actually spread it out, the artwork out a little bit so that I have room to write on those particular days. So this kit comes with a lot of boxes, so there's plenty of room for my type of planning, which I finally just went with it. I am a no white space planner. I will use like a little bit of deco, see that flag there, and leave that little bit of white there. But typically, this is the type of planner that I am, whereas I am one box on top of the other on top of the other. I don't like big white spaces. Um, I don't know. This is just my preferred way of planning. So I am going to start doing the extender boxes. On the weeks where I need more space because I'm finding that I love my artwork and I need my artwork. I love looking at my planner and it makes me use it more when I can see something gorgeous. But I am finding that some days I don't have enough space to write in because I've got all my gorgeous stickers. So I'm going to start using extender boxes and just putting the artwork over the extender boxes, which I have already designed them. I just haven't used them yet in a plan with me. But I will, and they're going to be up in the shop pretty soon. So if you need some, they're going to be perforated so that they're easy to fold, and I'll show you how to use them in another plan with me once I get that far. This week is a super busy week for me because it's sale week. So every day I'm basically printing, cutting, packaging, printing, cutting, packaging. So I don't really have time to do a whole lot. As a matter of fact, right now it is 1:30 in the morning, and this was the first chance I had to do the voiceover where everybody was not here and machines aren't running, and I have like good 30-40 minutes to just sit down and edit video and do the voiceover. Sticker lifter, if you don't have this is by Purdy Planner, and I have it linked in some of my other videos, but I can just tell you Etsy. Go to Etsy, look up Purdy Planner, and you will find this sticker lifter, and it is a lifesaver. So if you don't have one, you probably should, because I go nowhere where I'm planning without it. It saves my paper. Every time I try to lift a sticker without it, I rip the paper. So I don't know what kind of magical thing that is, but it is awesome. So now I'm working on the days that normally I would be putting a whole lot of artwork. So I'm kind of confused as I'm doing my, I keep looking at it and trying to figure out, do I have enough boxes? Because usually I don't put a lot of space to write on these sides. So just kind of going through everything in here. These kits do come with plenty of boxes in them. And here are some of the washi strips that came in the kit that I'm going to use. So you have plenty to do, no white space for 1 week, and plenty to do if you're not a I try to explain this right. If you're not a no white space planner, you probably have enough here to do more than 1 week. Definitely the Planning with Manny kits, especially that one that I just flipped back to, that one came with actually 2 weeks worth of headers. So if you wanted to spread that one out, you totally could. I'm actually going to be using the rest of that kit, the Planning with Manny kit. I'm going to be using that in my A&N, the weeks planner. So because I have a whole nother set of date covers, and I love that artwork. It's so bright and cute and fun. And there's a ton of deco that came with it that I think I'm going to use that in my A&N. So it's not going to go to waste at all. My daughter's birthday is coming up in August, and she really wanted a planner and to do like this. She looks at my planner and she loves it. But ever since she had the baby, who is now 4 months old, she doesn't have a whole lot of time to like sit down and do this kind of stuff, but she wants to start doing it and trying to be more organized. So for her birthday, I bought her a planner that's kind of similar to this one, but it has a different cover. So it's the TPC planner, but it has the cover, I think it's called Planning Time, and it's a Planning with Manny cover, and it was from TPC Nation, so she's going to get that. And I got her a few kits from Planning with Manny. I got her some kits from a few different places, and then of course she's got all my stash that she's probably going to raid. But I'm kind of excited to get her planning again, because we actually started our little planning adventure together, and then she kind of fell off the wagon for a while when with her being pregnant, which you would think that being pregnant you would want to plan more because there's like a million doctor's appointments and things to do, but she just never kind of got back into it until now. Now she's like, I have to have this. So I'm excited. I have my planning buddy. I mean, I've always got Jolene, but we don't plan together like in the same house. We do everything else together as far as like getting, designing kits and getting things together, but she comes over at least once every couple weeks and helps me get the shop ready for sales, but we just don't have any planning sessions. So I think we should make that like a priority, especially now that my daughter's getting her planner. We can have all of us can sit down and do it together. That'd be fun. This sidebar here, I want to bring the colors from the kit into the sidebar, but I do use the sidebar. I use it every single week, and this is like my to-do, my big area of like highlighted to-dos. So I decided to cut the washi strips in half, make them skinnier so that I could use them on the tops just to bring the color in and tie it all in together, but still have plenty of room to write my notes underneath. So that is why I'm doing what I'm doing right now. And that's pretty much it. This kit is gorgeous. This is done. I thank you guys so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys love this. I've got tons of stuff left over. Tilly B Plans over on Etsy, and I will see you again real soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.